Hi folks, welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel as always. Hope you can hear me good. I will set up the audio. Yeah, I don't have a pop filter, so you just be aware that some popping sound will occur. Yeah, I think this is good. So what we got here? As you can see, we got a package to my attention from the Royal Mail. Those are the spares which I purchased for the MacBook Pro that I'm actually repairing. So let's call in our good old friend unboxing knife, even if it is not needed, because there's this stripe what I like, the unboxing with my knife. Yeah, it lost some sharpness. Come on, camera. Focus. Ah, that's something. Thank you. So here we are. Let's proceed to the unboxing. Let's see what we got here. We got a package with some bubbles, pretty tough ones. Nice. So here what we got. We got the curved paper. Thank you. Let's see. Let's go forward. So, Jesus, this autofocus. Come on. You know what? Tired of this crap. I'll set the focus manually. My cat is trying to get in. So let's remove the autofocus and let's toggle it manually. That's something. Thank you. Sorry, my cat got in, so I have to do something. Mirtilla, come on. Yeah, next time you see less mess, I think. So I purchased the trackpad and the trackpad connector. So moment of the truth. It's held in place by tape. Let me see. Let me see. So this should be pretty tight package. Don't want to damage anything, so I just cut it. Oops. Silly package. So let's see what we got. Seems to be good. Seems to be pretty good to me. Sorry, I was looking down. So there's no plastic to peel off from this pair. Connector seems to be good. So fine. The next video, yeah, the Macs won't be fixed already. I mean the mess in my back. So in the next video I'll proceed fitting this pair and checking if we have a working MacBook. Thank you for staying tuned and see you soon.